from Beijing.
We came to Dali by car from Beijing, far away.
Wow, so
Takes
nice. It's take a long time.
Yeah, it takes about 4 5 days.
4 5 days.
But still.
A few minutes later.
Okay, now.
Okay, now
Let's see inside the restaurant. This is a very pleasant place in the bottom of the mountain. Here is a big restaurant. But yeah, many people inside cooking, eating, enjoy together. Today's weekend and a lot of not so much, but just some many businesses. Oh yeah, inside a very big temple. My friend worshipping. I don't know what they're reciting because I have very less information about this religion. Yeah, some other people they're doing it. And she is the leader of this temple, instructing the people.
It's the waterfall.
Hello guys, once again. Right now we are sitting under the shadow. The weather is very cool, sometimes breezing, and I enjoy this drink. So I have a lot of way to go, and I'm feeling fresh after drinking such a thing. So enjoy a fresh thing, fresh water. See you later. Bye bye.
I'm not the girl that I used to be. Sometimes I'm more than words. I'm beyond what I once was. I don't believe in love. Hey, if I want something, I got it. Hey, oh baby, I don't need love me. Hey, cause your love I cannot buy it. Wasn't real with you, boy. Real, wasn't real with you, boy. You won't give me too much chances. I don't care if I am fancy brighter. Yeah, oh boy, I'm telling you goodbye, I'm telling you
Hey guys, you coming? Can you come? Or need my help? Because you have long dress and a small bag.
Watch out.
I'm worried about you. The dress you have, it's not for the climbing,
Yeah?
just for the some entertainment, for the shows.
You know what? I never here.
You are there, but you don't see down.
Yeah.
Look at down. The Xiaoguan. Big buildings. Or high lake. Hello guys, my friend. He's looking very impressive. Nice king dress, hairstyle, and a lot of makeup. I don't know. You think
No.
I speak wrong?
You can see?
You can see a lot of makeup.
No.
So guys, be careful and don't take it serious. Yeah, no hard words. Okay. See you in the temple. Bye bye.
Okay.
Man, almost we are arrived. This is the main gate of the temple, and you can see not people just only visiting here to see the temple, but they also coming to enjoy the waterfall and other things. Later we will go to the waterfall. So are you ready to see the temple, man?
Yes.
Okay, go first.
You know, here is like a historical temple.
Yeah.
Yes. And they also have the waterfall, but I think next time we can take some clothes to get
To get where?
waterfall, take a shower.
No, you can't reach to the waterfall, man. It's covered. Yeah.
But yes, it's okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see like right now we are already on our way. This is the temple that we want to visit. Okay guys, here is, I think it is the night view
Yeah.
here to see all DALI Xiaguan.
Yeah.
Yeah, here's very neutral with my traditional clothes.
This is your traditional clothes, you think?
It is the king dress.
Pink dress?
What all about you think is nice?
Okay.
If it's nice, please comment down below, okay? Okay.
So we can go first there. Okay?
Okay.
You like to go?
Okay.
Okay.
I like it.
Go.
Getting lost in memories, the surface deeper. Want it all surrounding, feeling deeper.
And you know what? Bali is like the best place for tourists. It has a lot of place for traveling more than other cities.
So the main thing is, in my mind, is the natural things like forest, water.
Yeah, here.
Here.
That's the best one.
Again, you can see below the big city of Xiaguan. And here, brother, this is the place you are asking how we can get there, when I can get there. Yeah. So go up, perform your prayer.
I'm so exciting.
Oh yeah.
Excited? Yeah.
Because of your dress. Huh?
I already on the place where I want to come.
Yeah, you're on the right place. Go. Yeah. So my friend, right now I'm inside in the temple. Yeah. The leader of the temple, he went inside also. Now see my friend.
Okay.
He will
Hello.
he will tell you the importance of this red color. Here is something special. I think from the bad spirits, like evil spirits, for the protection. So, and here is the place to bound it and keep away the evil spirits.
Okay, hello guys, welcome back. So right now, I just come from the temple for praying, and the old guy they give me this, right? And on here they say about 停济平安. It's about lucky and safe. So he give me this. It means that to make us after praying, and we put it in here, and after we get out from the temple, we can put it on the tree, on the bamboo, everywhere, to get like the bad spirit to get out and get away, and bad lights go away, and give us a lot of lucky and happy and safety. Okay, so right now let's come with me. I will put it on the tree or bamboo. I think I love bamboo, so we'll put it. So first, get it. I know. It's okay.
Yeah, put it somewhere. Keep it somewhere. Yes, ready.
Here.
Yeah.
Getting lost in memories, the surface deeper. Want it all surrounding.
So here we go. See the outstanding, fantastic view. Like bottom of the mountain, so many buildings, fresh water, and see, enjoy. So much beautiful view. I love this. Wow. So guys, finally I'm on the top of the temple building, and behind me the whole Xiaoguan, and a lot of experience I got here about their people, customs, their traditions and cultures. It's like I never experienced it before, especially the elder people. When you enter to the temple and they make a voice and you performing the prayer, at the end of the prayer they will give you a good luck to keep away the spirit, the evil spirits. So my first time, because we have different religions, so everybody, we need to respect each other religion. And if someone is Muslim or Christian, Buddhist, come from any religion, first we should be a good human. Humanity is the first. I don't care who's come from, which religion, just as a good human. My friend, he's come from Cambodia, just with different, but he is nice person. Of course, he performing different religion. That's not a matter for us, and matter for me. Yeah. So the whole theme of my discussion should be respected person, and a great person, no matter where you from. Yeah, thank you so much.
I got enough of every melody, they all sound the same. Yeah. For my broken heart, no remedy, but maybe if you stay, we can get away with it. 'Cause you make me love my imperfections, answer all my questions, just to show me what's on the other side of inhibition. No apologies, my baby. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. I do you do 'cause I'm feeling so good. Ooh. Oh, my darkest memories now let me fall back. But you'll be there, ready to rescue me if I go out of track. We can get away with it. 'Cause you
Finally, we come down and we finish the videos. All the things we make in the mind, what to do, where to do, and I should say goodbye. And
Yes. So right now is the end of this video, and also if you like this video, please like, comment and share for your friend, and also don't forget to subscribe my channel, and also he also have the channel, so I will put the link down below, and maybe you can have him to subscribe his channel too. Okay?
thank you.
Okay.
Okay, guys, thank you so much. See you
Next time.